I'm using a digital tool that allows me to make different folders for different notes. This digital tool is called OneNote, and I can do basically anything on it, such as highlight, write on it, make anything, make folders, etc. So here I'm going to show you how I did everything. First, right here, you can click section, and this is how you create your two folders. So here I have HDFS, and this one, that's two. And if you click on one of them, it leads to the notes, and I have 5 notes showing all of these. And here I have 5 notes, all of these. What you do is you just write in it. You can easily write or copy and paste anything you need. And then also talk about how we needed to, highlight and mark on it from a website. What I did was I went to a website and I took a picture of it. I copied and pasted it in here, and as you can see, it's this right here. And from doing that, I used a snipping tool to take the picture. So then from the snipping tool is where I highlighted and marked everything. And then I copied and pasted it into here. And then down below, I wrote some notes about it. And this is a great way to take notes and keep all of it organized. It is also good for studying and marking up the important things you learn.